Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a profile picture on your Capcut account. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing you need to do is you have to open in your Capcut account. So this will be the home interface. Now at the bottom part you can see 4 options. Tap on the me. Okay, that is actually your profile side. Now you can see a edit profile button here. Okay, tap on it. Now you can just tap on the change photo and you can select your profile picture. Another easy thing you can do, you can directly tap on your icon from here and you can tap on the change button. You can select your picture and you can confirm it by tapping on the confirm button at the bottom right corner. Here it is. You can see that I have my profile picture now on my Capcut account. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.